This diagram shows a ray of light that's just about to be reflected in a plain, flat mirror. And we're asked to draw the ray once it has reflected, and first of all we need to draw the normal line at the point where it reflects, the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection, and then the reflected ray. So 1, 2, 3. So first of all, please remember to use a protractor to check your angles. In reflection as a flat mirror, the angle that it comes in at, called the angle of incidence, is equal to the angle of reflection. But number one, let's draw that normal line, which is a line perpendicular to the surface where the ray hits. So we are perpendicular to the surface, and that's the normal line. Number two is to measure your angle of incidence. This is called the incident ray. The incident ray, that's the ray coming towards the mirror. And we need to measure the angle between the normal and the incident ray. It's always between the normal and the incident ray. That's why we have to draw the normal first. So we can label that I. So that's I, angle of incidence. Now taking your protractor, you need to measure the same angle on the other side between the normal and the reflected ray. So let's show that now. And that will give us the ray. That's R, and then number 3, we can then draw that reflected ray coming off at the same angle. So please remember to draw the normal line at right angles, then measure your angle of incidence, and then you can measure your angle of reflection on the other side, and here's your reflected ray. Reflected ray.